Come ride the little train that is rolling down the tracks to the junction. Forget about your cares, it is time to relax at the junction. Lots of curves, you bet, and even more when you get to the junction.
Petticoat Junction.
There's a little hotel called the Shady Rest at the junction.
Hey, guess who? Guess what we got coming? Wells Fargo local. If you wonder where I am, I'd be in Hudson, Ohio, so back again. Guess I'm a little rusty here. I haven't been paying much attention to the tank cars. Although I haven't seen any tags on it though. You have a DPO on the very end coming. That's kind of unusual. Had two lead locomotives and they got one on the end. And looky what we got here. This is a coal train though that I passed up coming alongside the tracks here. So we'll get him too. By the way, we're on East Hines Hills Road, Hudson, Ohio. I noticed we have a sign here, 60 and 50 mile an hour here too. About 45 degrees out here, ain't too bad. Yeah, got right in my view, dummy. just wondering if this coal train is heading to Sandusky, or I'm not sure. Cleveland, up north where this line goes, has a coal dock up there too. I think there is something up there. I don't remember. It's been many, many years ago. Let's see, we had 2 lead locals on this. I'm guessing there may be a DPU on the end of this, pushing this heavy load. Anyway, want to thank David Coleman from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Used to live up in these parts here. Suggested to come over to Hudson today, so that's what I exactly did. I finally got the junk heap mobile back, you know, after 3 weeks. Guess there was a parts problem, I guess. Since the auto workers were on strike, I guess there was a parts shortage also, so at least it's up and running, and it's running really good. Yeah, when I see these petitions and barriers when I came up this crossing, I almost thought this was was going to be a no train horn zone. Apparently not. Looks like he's kicking it in the ass a little bit here to get it going. And we do have a DPU on the end. Kind of thought there would be, being a heavy load. Okay, then once again, there she goes. Okay, well, we got 2 here today, so right off the get-go, matter of probably wasn't 5 minutes or so, but anyway, we're going to be checking out Hudson, Ohio around here and see what's going on and see what other crossings and interesting things though. But all right, good to be back again. So we'll see what brings the next clip here. We'll be right back. Back at you again. About 10 minutes elapsed since the last train. We have one coming here going westbound. Here he comes. And this one's bucking a little faster this time. NS 3991. course, everybody knows it's all grain cars or something. Could have grain, it could have sand. This was booking pretty good. Like 2 NS and maybe a Union there. Got some John Deeres. Or the same kind of cars coming on this. I haven't seen any hazmat tank cars yet. And this one's kind of a shorty at that too. There's the end. Well, you know what? I never got 2 double headers in a row like that. Alright, we're gonna see what else we can catch here, some more, then see if we can find another crossing somewhere. Most of the crossroads on this line is overpasses and bridges and things, but I believe on the clear on the other end of town, on the other side, there's another crossing out that way, so we're probably gonna go out and check it too. So all right, we'll be right back. Back again, still same location. By the way, we're at the 99.7 mile marker. Got a train coming. Look at that, 1111. All ones. Some auto rack and empty auto racks. Talk about a shorty. Booby prize. Hey, train's a train. Okay, well, all right, we'll see what else is coming here. So I think we'll catch one more, and I think we'll head toward the other side of town and catch another crossing here. So, all right, we'll be right back. Back at you again. Got another one. Slightly different intermodal here. Okay, here comes the end already. Okay, and once again, there she goes. All right, well, we're gonna head on down to another crossing here. So the next crossing I noticed on the Google Maps was gonna be Stow Road. So we'll see you on down there, see if we can find a place to catch some. If not, well, we'll figure it out. All right, we'll be back. Hey, back at you again. Be here on Stow Road. And we have another westbounder. Let's take a look. Hard to see. It looked like, I guess the end is not approaching. Okay, here comes the end approaching. Okay, there she goes. Well, that's one here for Stow Road, so all right, we'll see if we get another one here. And we'll see where else we might end up. So be right back at you again. Still here, Stow Road in Hudson, Ohio. Got another westbounder coming, so let's take a look and see what we got. Looks like we got a BNSF unit there. We got some tanks, maybe. $32.12, $30.82. $11.99. And this one's short-lived too. Okay, there she goes. Okay, we're gonna see if we maybe catch one more around here, then we'll be right back here. If it gets slow, I may move somewhere else. I don't know. I'm thinking about Cuyhoga Valley because it ain't too far from here. So Alrighty. We'll be right back at you again. We have another one coming. This one will be an eastbounder, so let's take a look. Lots of grain trains. Oh, here we go. We got some ethanol, 1170. This is probably corn syrup or something. And we got some more John Deere tractor stuff, looks like. Yep. Denatured alcohol, 1987. And some auto wrecks, and we have cars. There she goes. Okay, well, this is going to conclude it for this episode here. I did make a comment though, see if we go down to Cuyhoga Valley. Well, I'm going to go by there, and if I do happen to catch something around there, I will put it in the bonus though. But always bear this in mind though, always look and listen at the crosses though, because sometimes these gates do malfunction time to time. Train gets a second chance. You don't. You ever get your car stuck on the track? So, blue sign right behind me on the pole there on the crossing signal. Get everybody out of the car immediately, call the sign immediately. There's always somebody nearby that can give you a hand. If you see suspicious activity around the track, somebody tampering something, call this blue sign immediately too. You may be able to save against a potential disaster. Whatever you do, don't get the cops involved though, because they're just going to turn it around, jail you, steal your money, steal your car, providing it survives. Hope that doesn't happen. But anyway, they're just going to go blah, 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 blah at you though. So with that though, we'll see you on the next one though. Give a thumbs up for the men and women of the railroad. They keep America moving. We'll see you on the next one. Hey, back at you again. Well, I made it down here to the Cuyhoga Valley Railway here. Right now they're putting together a train at the moment, so they're going to be pulling up here a little bit closer here. Then about 3 o'clock they're going to be deporting. So
one more car.
There she is.
One half. Feet. And that will do.
Okay, as I was saying before, they were putting this train together here. Oops, better watch I don't get run over. These maniacs. Anyway, About 3 o'clock, they're going to depart from here, so we'll catch it on its way out. So we'll be right back when they are ready to go. Well, they're going to move this thing another 3 cars up here. We're getting real close here to depart, though. It's probably about 9 minutes to go here. But as you can see, he is moving here, so let's take a look, see how far they bring this up. Oh, no problem. Now the nice lady there said, am I going to be in the way? And, nope, absolutely not. Kind of a funny place to put a bungalow in the middle of the tracks. If that's what that is. Thank you. "50 years of memory."
That will do.
Okay, well, you can see they got this thing pretty long down there. They were putting this together. So, okay, so we're gonna stick around till we see him finally depart. We'll be right back. Sorry about that,
Okay,
wrong way,
well,
dummy. They're getting ready to depart. They're right exactly on time, so here they come. Almost here they come. By the way, we're at the crossing here at State Route 303. And I thought this would probably be a good spot here to catch this thing. Okay, here he comes. Talk about leaving right on time, right on the button.
Ford 2 conductor.
Answering.
Are we leaving?
Leaving.
Because there's a lot of open tracks throughout the entire train.
I'm closing them as I go through. I just got a couple.
Copy that.
That bucket truck just made a run for it. George Washington Cooper. Well, they got a loco on the end too. Hey, Augustus. Okay. California Zephyr.
CBSR, NTA South, departing Peninsula Station.
Okay, well, I guess they're probably using it as a DPU because it's, yeah, you can see it's hopping it. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this episode here. Been a while since I've been out rail fanning, so just be a good bonus. So once again, give a thumbs up for the men and women of the railroad that keep America moving. See you next time.
Petticoat Junction.
And that's Uncle Joe, he's a moving kind of slow at the junction. Petticoat Junction.